Alright, so here I am. I just got up. It's like, I don't know, 7:45 in the morning. I'm insane. And, I'm going to give you a tour of our campsite. Alright. So, here is where our little dog sleeps. Well, she's not ours. We're puppy sitting her. And then here's where our other dog sleeps. You can see the leash. We tie her up. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. That's just so fun. I don't know why, but it just is. And here is where my little sisters play with their dolls. And over here is where we eat and stuff, kind of cluttered. And that's my sister doing her homework. What are you doing?
I'm counting all these.
Ooh, wow. Okay. And then here's some more toys. Here's Fiona. Say hi. And then back here is the woods. In my next video, I'm going to show you a tour of the woods. I just thought I'd start in the main living area, you know. Tarp. Whoa! Never seen one of those before. Giant weird leaf thing. Hi, giant weird leaf thing. And then here is the playroom. And so, yeah, it's kind of nasty and falling apart, but it's still a playroom. So we'll work with it, right? Right? There's a dog! Oh, no! Hi! Hi! Oh! Ah! Dogs! Ah! There's Rosebud, and there's Luna. There's the brown one, Rosebud is the white one. Ah! Oh, yep. Okay. And then here. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Dogs are playing. And then next I'll give you a tour, or after the woods, I'll give you a tour of the camper. And then here is another tent. Nobody sleeps in it. It's just a storage tent. Like, if you guys, really want to see that, just, tell me, because I don't think you do. It's just kind of gross inside. Some stuff spilled and stuff. So, here is just a quick look at the camper. Sorry, sun's a bit of a glare right now. There we go, camper. You see, the door, actually, this part right here came out of the door. So now you can just, look inside. My sister, she escaped out of there. Not in a scary way, just in a, oh my god, she's running away kind of way. And here's the truck. Hi, truck. He's got that, and a bag, and a glasses case, which is not my glasses case. Mine is a puppy. And then, can you guys see in there? Okay, I guess I'll just open the door. Look at this is kind of weird. Look at how you open the door. Old style. My mom loves this truck. Baby seat. Woo! Stuff in back. Hey, look at my backpack. Isn't my backpack awesome? It's just so weird. Just like the... Yeah. Bikes. Bunch of stuff. Dogs and grass. Whoa, 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 whoa. Those are dogs, not just some kind of random animal I caught on film and I'm just whoa. Oh, here's a cat. Star! His name is Star. He's the boy. There are the dogs. There's the cat. There are the dogs. There's the cat. See the dramatic difference? Okay. And pasture. Oh, in another video, I'm going to give you a tour of that barn up there. Oh, and also, just like a quick tip, don't get super wild puppies. They knock you over. Oh, here's another cat. I love you, cat. And you, cat. I love all of the cats. This cat's gonna, oh, he's flashing you guys. Okay. So, yeah. And just, yep. So, alright. So, sorry about that, guys. Alright, cool. Hi, guys. Peace. Okay, so, just a quick tip. Isletta isn't here, because technically this is my YouTube channel. But if you guys want more of Isletta, I know she's adorable and funny, then just tell me, okay? Because I would so gladly just, like, be like, sup, Isletta, just like, yeah, come make a video with me. And she would be so stoked. So, just, you're gonna see more of her, even if you don't want to. I'm sorry, but you are. And, so, yep. So, that's basically just it. Okay, that was fun. And, alright, bye, y'all. Bye. I love doing this.